Hello YouTube, this is how to change the oil on a 2018 Cadillac CTS 3.6 all-wheel drive. I'll go over it step by step, starting with the oil. Alright, the first thing you're going to need is 6 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic. I just went with Pennzoil high mileage just for the additional minerals added to it. I also went with the K&N filter. It's going to be 2012 is the filter type. First thing you're going to want to do is get the car jacked up. Make sure you put it on jack stands and chock the rear wheels. Second thing you're wanting to do is pop the hood. You're going to find your oil filler, which is going to be this right here. Just twist that off. And we're on to the second step. So now that we're underneath the car, you're going to find the oil drain bolt, which is going to be directly at the bottom of the engine, located towards the rear of the engine, and it's going to be right here. This is a 15 millimeter. If it's stuck, corroded, or over tightened, just put a pry bar or a jack handle on the back of your ratchet and should loosen it right up. So located right next to the oil drain pan bolt is the oil filter right here. Now, for some reason, if you look up this model and year, they say that this is located at the top of the engine, and it is not. It is located right here. So I'm not sure what the reason is behind that, but figured out where it was. So we're going to go ahead and remove this. We're going to use a tool like this, or there's different variations of this tool. This is just so we can put it on the oil filter and give it a twist and loosen it up so we can get the new one on there. As you can see, it's already moving. Once you have the oil filter all loosened up, just gonna go ahead and twist it. It will make a mess. Alright, now we're gonna install the new oil filter. I chose K&N for this. I always choose K&N. You're gonna take a bit of oil on your finger, and you're just going to wipe around the edge of the seal to get it lubricated so it makes a perfect seal. Once that's on there, you're just gonna put it on in, make sure not to cross thread it. So once you have the oil filter tightened up by hand, I like to take the 1-inch socket on the K&N filters, and I just want to give it a little snug. Never ever over tighten these. You're just gonna want to do just enough to snug it up to the block. Now that we have the oil drained into a drain pan, we have the bolt tightened back up just to hand torque tightness. And then we have the oil filter replaced, again, tighten up just hand tight. Now we're gonna add the oil and then we're done. We're now gonna take our funnel, place it right into the oil filler. Now we're gonna take our handy dandy oil and we're gonna put 6 quarts in it. Once you're done adding the 6 quarts, we are all finished up. Go and remove your funnel. Go ahead and put the oil filter cap back on and check underneath the car to see if there's any leaks. And then let's fire it up. Now that we have the oil all changed, we hopped in the car. We're gonna start it on up. Wait for everything to load up. We're gonna go ahead and take this select button here on the right. We're gonna go ahead and change it on over to the right. Once we get to oil life, we're just gonna hold it down, the select button, and it'll beep, and then we're at 100%. Fantastic. And then you're all done. Now that we're all done with the oil change, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope it made it easy for you. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna be coming out with a lot more step-by-step easy tutorials of everything cars. All right, thank you.